আমাদের নেক্সট ডেস্টিনেশন হচ্ছে টি ফ্যাক্টরি। আমরা শ্রীলঙ্কান টি ফ্যাক্টরি ভিজিট করব। এই হচ্ছে আমাদের পরবর্তী ডেস্টিনেশন টি ফ্যাক্টরি। কীভাবে চা তৈরি করা হয় এখানে সব দেখায় দেবে এরা, ধাপে 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 বিভিন্ন লেভেলে বিভিন্ন চা পড়বে এখানে। বড়, তার চেয়ে ছোটো, 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 এইভাবে বিভিন্ন সেগমেন্টে ভাগ হয়ে যাবে। 1 2 3 4 5 6।
Let's go to upstairs and outside. I will explain all the tea process for you. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Do you want to see?
Yeah.
Do you want to see factory? Please come. Do you like to tea?
Yeah, of course.
Before, did you visit tea factory or first time?
Yeah, this is my first time visit. This is a tea factory. This is a various types of
Please
tea.
come
Huh?
this side. Nice to meet you.
Okay, nice to meet
First, I
you.
will explain little bit our tea.
Okay.
After you can get good idea about tea.
Okay.
In 1867, Sir James Taylor introduced tea in our country. From the English era until now, our all tea famous Ceylon tea.
Ceylon tea.
Yes.
Okay.
We don't have season for the tea, sir. We pluck tea leaves all year round. Normally, we can take the harvest once a week. Here you can see inside of the leaf have a very small shoot.
Okay.
It's growing with like this 7 days to 7 days. That's why we pluck tea leaves once a week. And that's why we produce more tea.
Okay.
Mainly we produce green tea, black tea, gold tea and white tea.
Right.
Here you can see this is a green tea. These all are different kind of black tea coming from same tea plant.
Same tea plant.
Yes, but different processor.
Okay.
Main different, green tea no fermentation, black tea only fermentation. And you can see these two are the best in our country. This one we call golden tea, this one we call white tea. To
Okay.
produce this tea we use only the tip, you can see.
Yeah.
Only tip, no leaves. Other leaves we can produce used to black tea.
Okay.
These two never go another process, only dry by sun. Because this tea included natural tannin, it's better than caffeine. We can protect the tannin, that's why we use natural process.
Okay.
When you drink this tea, this better for control the cholesterol, diabetics, blood pressure, especially grow with antioxidant our body.
Okay.
Not the taste, but healthy wise best. And very, very rare production. Normally this factory, we produce black tea more. That's why black tea we export, especially to Russia, Middle East and England.
Okay.
But gold tea and white tea,
Yeah.
we can produce more than 25 or 30 kilograms per month.
Per month.
That's why these two we can't export.
Okay.
But a special thing, these two very little pinch enough for a 1 cup, you can reuse up to 3 times.
Only Sri Lankan people taste this type of tea.
Yes, golden, especially in our country. Real
Okay.
white tea, sometimes you can try China, not everywhere.
Oh.
Normally this factory, sir, we produce black tea, white tea and gold tea. Now I will explain black tea process.
Yeah, would you tell me about again about gold tea?
Gold tea.
Yeah.
Gold tea, white tea never go another process.
Okay.
Only dry by sun.
Okay.
Benefits:
Very good.
control cholesterol, control diabetics, blood pressure, against cancer, especially sir growing antioxidant our body.
And this is why it is called dust.
This one including more stems.
Yeah.
I will explain, okay?
Okay.
That's why brown color.
Yeah.
This not good.
Yeah.
Always outside bias by this one more high
Yeah.
quality little all mix blended.
Yeah.
add some essence chemical. That's why always you can see in our country in Colombo, Kandy, Negambo and other places has very nice tea shop and very nice tea pack. But price is very cheap, sir.
One
This-
process, it has been segment by one after another.
First withering, after rolling, tea leaves we roll two different pressures.
Okay.
With pressure and without pressure. With pressure coming from these two,
Okay.
without pressure coming from these three.
Okay.
These three light taste, these two strong taste.
Yeah.
If you
Light
like
and
light and
these three,
strong.
these three
Light.
and
These two is
these
strong.
are strong.
If you like strong tasty with milk, these two best. If you like light tasty, these three best. If you
Okay.
like herbal tea, these two is the
This
best.
two is the best. Okay. This is your factory.
Yes.
Here.
Did you understood my explain?
No.
You translate, please.
Okay, I will make him understand later.
Sorry.
Okay. Okay, no problem. This is my company, Tourmate. We are from Bangladesh. Okay.
You translate, please.
Okay. Okay.
First process we call withering, sir. Withering means remove the water, remove the moisture.
Can I
that
can I
it is.
can I see?
Yeah. First you pluck tea leaves, bring here and spread, and we have big fan. Normally are blowing through that leaves. And we
Okay.
dry here 12 hours.
12 hours.
Yes. We have big fan. Normally are blowing. You can see.
Like this. True dry.
Right.
My drying process
Yes.
like this.
Let's go to downstairs. I will explain second
Okay.
process.
If sun isn't rise, no
Not
problem.
the sunrise.
Okay, you will dry by this machine.
Yes, this machine. Dry by sun, gold tea, white.
Okay, okay.
These two are the best. Very.
okay,
Please
thank
come. Your country?
Bangladesh,
Yeah.
you are local. You are Sri Lankan.
Ceylon. You can get good smell.
Yeah, it smell. Yeah.
Okay,
Smell
so
is
this
good.
is our second process. We call rolling process.
Yeah.
After complete first process,
Yeah.
upstairs with the leaves we charge to the roller supporting that shoulder. And we roll here like this 20 minutes without any pressure. When we roll without pressure, tea leaves like a seeds, like a ball.
Okay.
As well as again new with the leaves this roller, and second time we need to roll little pressure.
Little pressure.
After tea leaves broken, different
Okay.
size have different taste.
Different
That's why we roll different pressures. As I explained upstairs,
Before.
okay?
Okay.
After complete this process, we are take out tea leaves and pass into that machine.
Okay.
This machine inside are different measures.
Okay.
Like bigger, medium and a smaller.
Medium.
Here you can see sir, this one is small, this all big.
Yeah.
Only smaller particles for the boxes.
Yeah.
Bigger leaves and hard distance go out
Yeah,
machine.
out machine.
Yes.
And then this tree again you. Yes, yeah. Okay. Like this. এভাবে একটার থেকে একটা এখানে সবচেয়ে ছোট অংশগুলো এখানে পড়বে, তার চেয়ে বড়গুলো এখানে, তার চেয়ে বড়গুলো এখানে, তার চেয়ে বড়গুলো এখানে, এবং সবচেয়ে যেটা বড় এই ছাকনা দিয়ে ঢুকবে না সেটা বাইরে গিয়ে পড়বে, এবং সেগুলো তুলে আবার নিয়ে তারা ওখানে দেবে।
Finally, all the bigger leaves and hard distance, again we apply that roller, and again we are rolling here 20 minutes with full pressure.
Okay.
When we roll with full pressure, so all the rest particle convert tea dust. It's not good, including most stems mostly go to outside supermarkets tea bags and tea.
Okay.
That's why the outside supermarkets tea price is very cheap
Very
prices.
cheap price.
Always you can buy tea outside but not good.
Okay, I understood.
After we keep like that area, fermentation.
Fermentation.
Tea we keep only 2.5 hours.
Yeah.
After tea leaves moisture react with normal oxygen. After fermentation process, green color tea leaves automatically convert brown color. And good aroma, natural color and taste for the only black tea. And we have different cafe matcha. If you want, you can try also. This is menu, this is price.
This is private.
Yes.
Huh? Okay. এখন আসলাম টি শপে, এদের ফ্যাক্টরিতে তৈরি করা টি। দেখবো কেমন কি প্রাইস। ওকে,
These two strong taste, sir. These three light taste.
Light taste.
These two better with milk and sugar.
Okay.
This each including, sir, 200 grams. This is a first quality. We have second quality. Oh. This each including 200 grams. This each, sir, 4,000 rupees.
4,000 rupees.
If you buy three, one free.
Kilo, how weight?
200 grams.
200
200 grams you can use more than normally 1 teaspoon enough for a 1 cup. You can reuse 2 times, not the 3 times.
Okay.
Green tea also same price.
Okay.
Buy this tray, this one. And this is a gold tea, white tea.
Gold tea and white.
This each including 50 gram. 50 gram you can use more than 6 months, 7 months. This before 3 years. This each 12,000 rupees.
And this
This
one?
one 10,000 rupees.
10,000 rupees.
Yes.
But these are too expensive.
These two very rare production. If you want, you can buy these two. I will ask in my manager. I can reduce the prices for you.
Okay.
You can pay by cards, dollars, rupees, euros. Okay.